Hey, it's your friend Austin from Houston. We're going to go through just a couple minutes. We're going to take a little deep dive at market data. I want to show you days on market right now. October, we're sitting at 61. The average days on market of a single family home that sold in the month of September was 51. So right now for the average, we're averaging 52 and a half days on the market. This is our 12-month report, so 61 days in October, 52 days. We spent May, June, July, and August in the 40s, and September was a slowdown. I thought the rates were going down. I don't know. It's still taking a long time to sell. This is a very cool matrix. This is original sales price this ratio. Look at September. Dorks. We're listing homes at 482 when they're selling at 422. They're selling at 433. The best month that we had was 450. That was the highest sales price on average, was the month of June at 450. But yet we're still pricing 32,000, in this case 60,000, higher than what they're. So we're supposed to be, shouldn't we be listing properties at the price they're selling for? So we're about 12.5% below. So really good metric for agents to have. If you know that the average home sells for 12.5% less than what it's originally listed for, can you improve on that? That might be a value proposition. This is something that I think I just figured this little metric out right here. So for homes that are listed for 30 days or less, the average sales price in September was $425,000. Now, in month 2, do you think they go up? Do you think they go down? Well, if you say down, you are correct. In month 2, the average sales price drops from $425 to $399. Now, if I were to ask you, in month 3, does the average sales price go up or does it go down? And if you says it goes down again, well, I will have you know that not only were you wrong in the month of September, but August you were wrong, July, and every other month. For some reason, we're seeing this pattern, this very interesting pattern, that sell between 61 and 90 days actually sell for more than homes that sell for between 31 and 60 days. However, they never sell for as much as they did in 0 to 30 days. So if you price it right the first time, you'll make the most money. Let's go to month 4 because this is equally as fascinating. What we're seeing is homes, the average of homes have more likelihood of selling for more money in some cases, but especially in month 5. So when you look at it, well, if I just wait 5 months, it will sell for the most money. I have a theory about this. Why are homes in month 5 selling for more money than in any other month or month 5 and longer? Well, that's because those are different types of homes that are selling. Homes that are taking 5 months or longer to sell typically are your luxury and your high-end, your custom homes that are going to sell for a higher new construction. Some of those new constructions have been on the market for 400 days. So they're not that new just because nobody's lived in it. Let's look at historical count of active listings. We are at 42,716 active listings on the market. Look at this one. July was 42,000, August 41,000, September. So we're between 41 and 42,000 active listings. In September, 14,600 homes hit the market, bringing it up to close to 42,000. Only 7,000 homes sold. Only 7,000 homes. Think about it. Less than 17% of properties that are on the market are selling. For every 2 that hit the market, only 1 sells. So do you think new construction has something to do with that? Well, it's possible. New construction. Here's new construction. So we've been averaging about 7,300 sales of single family homes per month. Out of those sales, 2,330 of them are new. 32% of the home sales are brand new construction. Nobody has lived in it. There is a demand for new construction. People like new construction, even if it's, lower price points. Expireds, we're seeing these numbers come up. A lot of listings are expiring. We've been averaging, but it's really not that different from last year. But December is the worst because of New Year's Eve. Everything expires. And then finally, volume. This is new. We're below 3 billion in sales volume. This is single family homes alone. Compared to May, we're at 3.9 billion. I want to show you just one more thing, if you would just bear with me for just a second, because the hot topic right now is interest rates. Interest rates, are they going up? They're going down. And we were told the Fed lowered the rates. I'm going to show you one thing real quick. Why does my stuff look like that? I feel like this video is not going to look right. Maybe it will. 6.34%. We had that drop. We dropped down to 6.26% in the middle of September. And then we just went up to 6.3. And then as of today, October 2nd, we're up again. So we're at 6.34. So nothing, it dropped. It's like the rates dropped, and then the feds dropped the rates and then things went up. So I don't know, obviously, if they keep dropping the rates and we're supposed to get another rate cut this year, that it's going to help us with the mortgage. But I'm curious, what are your thoughts? Where do you think things are going to be? What do you think Q4 is going to look like this year? And are we going to start off strong? So appreciate you watching. Check this out. My name is Austin from Houston. I'm your friend and resource in the real estate world, commercial and residential. Call me. Bye.